Hi everybody, this is Hive Open Mic Week 240, and for this theme is flying. I got short of songs, couldn't remember any song at all that says about flying. The ones I know I cannot sing it properly, so I'm doing an original song. I just composed it now, freestyle move. So happy listening, stay tuned, and remember this. So there's no instruments, it's just an impromptu thing. Enjoy. Sometimes I wish I can touch the sky. Sometimes I wish I can see your face. Sometimes I wish I can touch your arm. Jesus. Oh, sometimes I wish I can touch the sky. Sometimes I wish I can see your face. Sometimes I wish I can hold you close, Jesus. But you say those who wait on you will mount up with wings as eagles. Those who wait on you will walk and not faint. You say those who wait on you will run and not be weary. You said those who wait on you will soar high. I will fly on the eagle's wing. I will run and not be weary. I will work and not faint. Jesus, I wait on you. I will fly on the eagle's wings. I will walk and not be weary. I will run and not faint. Jesus, I wait on you. For those who wait on you will run and not faint. For those who wait on you, we will see your face. I will fly on the eagle's wings. I will run and not faint. I will walk and not be weary. Jesus, I wait on you. I wait.